Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today we have an unscheduled power interruption, so there's nothing we can do here in the office. So a package came in, so I thought, why not do an unboxing video? Okay, all right, let's do this. So I bought this on Lazada, so it's not on sale or anything, so it's $699, so more or less 700 pesos. It's a tripod, yay! Okay, so I'm gonna be posting the link to the store and the actual store, so you can also compare it, no, para you can be the judge. So we have a receipt, that's good. Thank you card, thoughtful. Here it is. Fotopro. So I'm just gonna open this up. I'm also using a tripod kasi, pero I bought this because this is supposed to be more convenient and easy to carry compared to this one that I'm currently using. This one is designed to be stationary. Oh my god, the lights came back, thank god. Box. Ooh, nice. I think it has adapters as well. Oh! Yun lang. Yun lang. Okay. Sige. The box came in intact, so that's a good thing. And then 3 parts, the actual body. Okay, so before anything else, I'm gonna show you the link to the actual store and the price, so you can see for yourself, no? So what came in 3 parts, the actual body, this one, not sure what this is for, pero yeah, I think para sa ganyan. Anyway, adapter siguro. And lastly, I think this is for yung cellphone talaga, yung cellphone holder niya. So let's try. Oh my god, I am actually surprised. It's actually big. It looks really, and it feels, oh my god, it feels really sturdy. Very nice. Okay, so this goes here. Wow, it's actually quite long and very sturdy. So we are done with our tripod, so we are going to unbox another item that I ordered online. Actually, this came in sometime before this, but we're gonna do an unboxing anyway. So this is a microphone for cell phones, you know. So this is the BOYA BYM M1. This is supposed to be good for recordings using cell phones. So I'm using my cell phone, by the way. So ooh, okay, I see. So we have I see. I thought it was gonna be like a battery kind of thing, but I think it's just plug and play. So this is the microphone itself. So you have here the mic, see, and you have yung parang muffler niya. This is where you put that here, and then a stand, I guess, a bag, and some cables. Okay, so in the cable you have a microphone logo. So I'm thinking this goes here, okay, and this goes in your smartphone, your cell phone. So yes, I'm going to try and switch to this so you can see, and also you can check the audio quality. Okay, hey guys, so basically this is what it looks like. So I'm using my phone, and this is the tripod. It's not heavy, it's actually lightweight, but when you put this up like on a stand, you open this up like this, it actually feels sturdy. So it's actually a good deal. There. Hey guys, can you hear me, by the way? So I'm using the BOYA universal microphone. So it's a bother because it's kind of a bother because I don't know where to put this. I was hoping to use it with this, but anyway, if you can hear me well, then that means it's working. So I'm also gonna put the link, I'm also gonna put the a screenshot of the store so you can check them out yourself. Alright, so thank you for watching.